Hey everybody, this is Steve from Score Music and the Sounds of Sandwich on Sandwich Community Television. Hey folks, today we have my student Chris Esdale, and he's going to play some guitar for us. So yeah, without any further shenanigans, Chris? Hey folks, we're back with the Sounds of Sandwich with Steve, my friend and student here, Chris Esdale, who just did an awesome rendition of
Knocking on Heaven's Door.
Right, cool. Who does that tune?
Bob Dylan.
Right.
Guns N' Roses. And Led Zeppelin.
Led Zeppelin, maybe.
I'm almost positive if you take one.
They might have done a cover, yeah. So hey, how old are you?
Almost 12.
Cool. And you go to school where?
Oak Ridge.
Oh, my kids went to Oak Ridge. And you have music class there, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have band or chorus or?
Chorus.
Chorus. And who's your choral teacher?
Mr. Haley.
Did I say that right?
No.
Did I say choral teacher, like the sea creature? Choral teacher? Anyway, great, cool. And so tell me, why the guitar? You know, why not like the trumpet or, you know, the harmonica or something like that?
Because it's fun.
It's fun, yeah. Those other instruments are fun, you know.
I actually tried the trumpet, didn't like it.
Oh, is that right? Yeah, was it tough to play?
I didn't like it.
Yeah. Not as, I don't know, guitar's more your style. Cool. And so Chris, tell me, can you think of a person that you have met in Sandwich through just playing music?
You.
Me. Cool, good example. And, all right, just one more quick question for you. Who's your favorite superhero?
Hulk.
It's my favorite superhero. Hey everybody, Chris Esdale playing Knocking on Heaven's Door for you. It was great. Thank you so much. This is Steve from the Sounds of Sandwich on Sandwich Community Television.